Whenever I'm on the streets with my camera, I'm on a mission to get the very best shot that I can get, to capture the essence of every moment. I'm always pushing myself to get the perfect shot, the one that stands out amongst the rest. It is a constant race to improve, and I strive to be better with each time I take a photo. But here is the reality. It doesn't really work like that, and it's never going as planned. There are days when I return home empty-handed with a bunch of shots that are less than mediocre. There are days I walk with my camera around and I don't even take a single shot. And you know what? That's okay. It's taken me some time to come to terms with the fact that I cannot be at the top of my game 24/7. Life happens, and sometimes the elements just don't align. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not about giving up or accepting mediocrity. It's about recognizing that the world of street photography and photography in general, the world, life in general, is not ideal. And there are moments everything seems to be against you. The lighting, the composition, the weather, the expression of a subject, or maybe you just had one of those days where you really don't want to take a single shot. But does a string of lousy shots make you a bad photographer? That's what I've been thinking about. If I go out and come back with nothing, does it mean that I've lost my touch? Does it mean that I'm losing it? Taking a break can be a breath of fresh air, especially after months of shooting relentlessly. It's about recharging and gaining new perspective, new points of view, and sometimes it's just about going with the flow, I guess. And I have the perfect example. Last month I was in Berlin on a job, but I had some free time and I wanted to shoot a street photography video, and I have found myself facing these challenges. I would just walk around uninspired and just trying to find a cool subject, but it just wasn't there, or maybe it was there but I couldn't see it at the moment. I don't know. I wasn't just feeling it. And at the end I'm not 100% unhappy with the photos, but I know it's not my very best work, and most of the time it's not. And even if you think about your favorite photographers, either in history or your favorite photographers right now on YouTube or on Instagram, they only post a very small amount of the photos that they've taken, the bangers. All of this is to say that if you're also feeling like this, that sometimes you're just not being able to take good photographs, you're not alone, and I think it's fairly normal. Let me know if you're also struggling. And if you want to see the POV that I shot in Berlin and all the photos, feel free to click this video right here.